Today, the topic of discussion is how to buy a rental property with no money down in 2026. Yes, you can buy a rental property with no money down. House flipper, home buyers, and investor can purchase real estate without putting up a significant amount of their own cash. Traditional property purchases often required a large down payment. What knowing how to buy a rental property with no money down can simplify your investment strategy. While using minimal personal fund, real estate investors can achieve a better ROI. Options like leveraging home equity, securing investment property loans with no money down payment, or partnering with co-borrowers can open doors to the real estate market even with limited personal saving. Here are 8 ways to buy a rental property with no money down. So let's discuss these. Number 1, backing into your first rental property. If you already own a home, you are in a great position. One of the most common ways to become a real estate investor is by turning your primary residence into a rental property. The strategy is to rent out your current home and finance your next as a primary residence, securing a lower interest rate on both properties. And if you are still making mortgage payment, rental income can help you cover a part of the mortgage. The second point is here, tap into your home equity. If you own a home but prefer not to rent it out, using your home's equity can help you buy an investment property with no money down. Home equity is the difference between your home current market value and the amount you own. By leveraging this equity, you may have enough money to come a significant down payment or even buy the property outright. Several options are available for tapping into your home equity. Home equity loan. A home equity loan provides a lump sum of money upfront, which you pay back with fixed monthly payments, similar to your original mortgage. This option is ideal for a predictable, budgetable amount for your investment property down payment. And number second here is home equity line of credit, that is also known as HELOC. A HELOC turns your home's equity into a flexible credit line, which is like a credit card. It also, it allows you to withdraw funds as needed during the draw period, typically spanning 5 to 10 years. HELOC are ideal for managing various costs associated with buying and investment properties, such as the down payment, renovations, and furnishing the rentals. Cash out refinance. A cash out refinance replace your existing mortgage with a new loan for more than you owe, giving you the difference in cash. Available for FHA, VA, and conventional loans. Cash out refinancing allows homeowner to borrow a large amount of home equity, often up to 80% of home market value. The third point here is we can discuss here, try house hacking with a multi-family properties. House hacking means buying a multi-family property, living in one unit and renting out the other. Purchase a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, and your tenant's rent can cover your mortgage payment. You are both the property owner and the landlord, and your primary residence become the source of cash flow. FHA or BA loans make this strategy even easier. FHA loan required as little as 3.5% down payment with good credit, and VA loans often required no down payment at all. You can even use an FHA 203K loan if the place need rehab. Use gift funds, down payment assistant, or a HELOC to handle upfront cost, and you are buying both a home and your first rental property. The fourth point here we discuss is bring in a co-borrower. When you are short on savings or have a low credit score, teaming up with a co-borrower gives you a shot at buying a rental property without covering the full down payment requirements or closing cost yourself. One person might bring the cash and other handle the property management or find the real estate deal. You split the risk, share the work, and both benefit from rental income, monthly payments, and long-term equity growth. A co-borrower doesn't have to be a friend. It could be a family member or even a business partner who sees value in real estate investing. This step work well when exploring how to buy an investment property with no money down, especially if you are willing to offer sweet equity in place of capital. Just make sure to align on responsibilities, long-term loan, and how you are handling things like refinancing or a future cash out refinance. The fifth point here we discuss is try rent to own. If you are if you don't have saving for a down payment, a rent to own agreement, also called a lease option, can be a way to buy a future rental property with no money down. You rent the home now with the option to buy it later, and some of your monthly payments may go toward the purchase price. These deals usually require you to live in the home first, so you don't earn rental income right away. What one upside is that the property owner often cover property taxes and homeowner insurance during the lease, which helps lower your upfront cost while you work toward becoming the property owner and turning the home into a rental property down the line. The sixth point here is assume the seller's mortgage. Assuming a mortgage lets you take over the seller home loan, often with the same interest rate and loan terms. It can be a very smart way to buy a rental property with no money down, especially if the seller is locked in at a low rate. You make the monthly payments just like they did and take over the title. Not all loans are assumable. You will need to check for a due on sale clause and get lender approval, which usually means showing a decent credit score and completing some paperwork. Still, it's a solid financing option when the number works and the seller loans has better terms than what traditional lender offer today. The seventh point here we discuss is find seller financing. Seller financing, also called owner financing, is when the seller acts as the lender and lets you pay for some home over time, often with no bank involved. It's an option for buying an investment property with no money down, especially if the seller owns the home outright. They might agree to seller financing if they inherited the property or what a steady income instead of a lump sum. You are agree on the repayment terms like the loan amount, monthly payments, and interest rate, all spread out in a formal contract. It's a flexible path that skips traditional lender and can work well if you find the right real estate deal and a seller ready to move quickly. Number 8 and the last point here we discuss is use a hard money loan. A hard money loan is a short term, high interest loan offered by a private investor or hard money lender. It's often used to buy and flip properties fast. Unlike a traditional mortgage, this type of loan focuses more on the property value than your credit score. If the numbers work and the home fits the lender loan to value guidelines, you might get financing with title or no down payments. Just know that to qualify, you will usually need collateral like other property and a clear repayment plan. Since the loan term are short and the interest rate are high,